Hello there, everybody. This is my first time in the trucks. A lot of firsts tonight. Yeah, I've never... Does that say fire door? Imply what that means, please. I'm gonna stop getting distracted. Ooh, Joe's Racing Products. I knew them. I'm now intrigued by this. But, yeah, I'm gonna be doing this.
Can you, switch to channel 2
No,
on your radio? Let's
you.
give that a shot, please. Channel 2.
Screw you. Yeah, I've actually never done an official session in these trucks before. And, yeah, there appears to be no drive.
Slow the pace up a bit. Slow one on the bottom.
Go faster. Now this is something more my style. Earlier I did the Toyota GR8s at... I don't even know how to pronounce that track name. But it was in the shiny new Shakedown series. Showdown, whatever.
Outside. Clear.
And as y'all know, I'm a dirt prodigy.
Outside.
That's why I just wrecked that guy. I gotta chill on wrecking people tonight.
How about, how'd you drive there, buddy?
Pretty horribly. So I don't do this series in real life. Of course not in real life, in iRacing. Either or, I've got one of the best lap times. I'm running the bottom like this. They should legitimately put these on dirt ovals. I would do that if they put these on the dirt oval. This would be so much fun. That's what we're missing in iRacing. We're missing like a truck dirt series. Alright, let's go racing. Try not to flip over. Put some roof laps on. Be a good day. Frickin' pace truck being bouncy. Alright, let's do this thing. That car has fans in the back of it. I think we all do. Yeah, that's most definitely not my shifter. I don't know what that is then. Please don't wreck. This is completely unnecessary to be doing swerving right now. Warming up your tires. Nicholas, you're supposed to start on my inside. Why is the relative board show that I'm ahead of you?
Alright, fellas, get ready to roll here. Remember, guys, we can't win this thing on the first lap. We gotta be smart. We gotta take our time on the racetrack. We gotta be smart in the pits.
This is a rookie
Girls,
series.
you guys gotta be smart on the racetrack. Watch what you got going on. Just pay attention all the way around us.
This is a rookie series. You can win anything you
Give me
want
a
on
quick
first
radio
lap.
check, please.
I ain't doing crap for you. We're green.
Pace car's off. Ready?
It took too long to talk during that last pace lap. Or maybe these pace laps are just really fast. Forgot that I was supposed to shift down the corners. No, don't wreck, don't wreck, don't wreck. Please don't wreck. I didn't mean it. I gotta be better at like my spatial awareness in these cars. These are a lot bigger and bulkier than Toyotas. Like Toyota GR8.
Got a little car in front of you on the bottom.
Please don't like wreck the whole field. Okay, it looks like he's gonna wreck the whole field, but that's just the way it looks right now. Hopefully that's not actually what he does. Oh no, don't wreck! Okay, I think he saved it. Just a thought. Maybe I should give him a little tap on the back bumper. See if he truly did save it. I don't know, but I don't like these cars right behind me, like, dive bombing me every corner. Is that a lap car up there I spy? I like this nice, clean, closed racing. I don't like where this is going. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, that was probably not the best of your choices to do, Seven.
Inside. You're clear. Great job. IS4, we got 20 laps to go right
They're
now.
quite obviously not clear as I have just been
Inside,
door banged.
clear low.
Come on, 2, let's go! No!
Low in front of you.
No, why would you do that? You idiot, I
Outside.
hate you, 8 car.
All clear.
Dang it, now I have an annoying black patch in the middle of my screen.
Outside.
I just almost wedged
Clear.
that guy into the
Good
fence,
job.
I think. Hey, where's the slick at? There's like no
Outside.
slick being built up.
Clear.
There might be slick. I think the bottom's starting to wear out a little
Door
bit.
outside. And clear.
It's not running as well as it used to. I'm like stuck on the inside right now. I don't want to give up the spot, but I'm gonna have to. So let's run up top from now
Going
on.
on the top, coming backwards.
Immediately as soon as I say that, I get dive bombed on the inside. Oh my god, I almost went upside down.
Inside. Clear low.
I think that's the closest I've ever been to going upside down in a dirt race without actually going upside down in a dirt race. Rally doesn't count. I've had a lot of close calls in rallies, like a lot. Oh, screw you, 7 car. You're ruining it. P2 is car number 2. P3 is car number 3. How'd I get a 2X?
Pro car coming backwards on the inside.
Coming backwards? No, he's not. I mean, he's moving backwards, but I mean, that's different. Hey, car, I swear to God, if you come up here and block me, I'm pushing you out of the way. Yes, wreck the 4 car, please. Oh, God, again, closest I've ever been flipping. I hate this. Why does this 8 car think he's good? Get out of the way.
Side. Clear low.
I mean, like, you wrecked me earlier. I'm not gonna be nice to you when I catch up to you. You didn't wreck me, you gave me damage. It's ticking me off.
Clear.
I'm going backwards ever since you did. If you come across my nose, I'm hooking you. Oh, God!
In and
I
out.
flipped someone
Right
over.
on me. Clear.
Oh, my God!
Inside.
You want to come up and door bang
Still
me again?
inside.
Try it.
Clear, clear, clear.
Yep, you just took someone else out. Well, that actually worked in my
Inside.
favor. I hate this 8 car. I'm
Clear.
seriously about to hook them, but I have to follow iRacing sporting code still. I have not been doing a good job of that recently. I did not just try to turn on my windshield wiper.
Great job, man. 10 to go.
10 to go? Now this race is taking a long time. I would have thought this was a short race. Oh, I think that slick's starting to build up on the top there a little bit. None of these last names sound English or anywhere close to English. But Baker is probably the closest one we have to English. All the rest sound like they're from Europe. Keep in mind, which is like I said, if these were an actual series in iRacing, I would do them. I would love to do these. They're like a big pack up there, and I'm about to see like 8 of them start flipping over. I gotta see what happened to that one car I flipped over earlier. It wasn't my fault, it was the 8 car's
Gotta
fault.
get through this traffic, girl. Hit forward.
That's not really traffic as much as it is cars that I need to just plow right through. Like, this is backcrush battle with NASCAR. I love being this kind of car. The margin between the cars what appear to have setups and the other cars that don't have setups. Oh, they're wrecking.
5 to
Are
go.
they? No, they're
Low in
just
front of you guys.
Oh, he did wreck. Who was that? No, it was
Yeah,
the
bud, go
7.
get him.
Come on, 7, get back here. I'll bump draft you. Somebody else just hit the fence. That'd be the 4.
Car on the top.
Ah, I just hit the fence. Oh, that was terrible move. Oh my God, somebody was
Bottom
upside
inside.
down.
Clear, clear, clear. Good job. Outside. Watch in front of you. Going up top. Clear.
I ain't watching in front of me. I'm like trying not to
Slow one on
get
the
killed.
top is
Oh,
right.
he's still
Good
upside
job, man.
down!
Don't change your line.
Get
They're
out
gonna
of
move.
there!
Outside.
My toe!
Four, clear.
That's absurd.
Couple
If
more
you
laps.
as a race car driver are staying upside down in the middle of the track, you do not
In
need to
front
be
of
on
you,
that.
up against the wall.
He's still upside down! You just took someone
Slow
else
one's on
out.
top.
Like, the toe button is escape, or it should be.
Coming to the white flag this time. In front of you, in front of you, in front of you. Got a slow one.
He's still upside down against that
I told
wall.
you that you've been doing a good job.
Oh god,
Good
this time
job.
he's like truly
Slow
upside
one's
down.
on top.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm gonna do something about that guy. This is an unofficial series, so I can do this all I want.
Clear. Slow on the bottom.
Where's he at?
Checker flag.
Try to get the 7 back over here.
Real good job this weekend, fellas. Good effort.
Trying to help, sorry. There we go. No, stop! You know what? I'm full sending it. Never mind, he towed. That was a lot of fun. I like that. That was a lot of fun. It's just idiots. It's a rookie series. I don't know what I was expecting. Look at this one. Look. That's just rude. That's just plain rude at that. Because I had to run into the wall to avoid him too. I knew I definitely wasn't gonna make it to the bottom there, right here. So I just followed the 4, and when I saw him start moving, I knew that might be it. I mean, he was sitting there intentionally. Oh, it was the 8 car. Go figure. I wanted to see that wreck where I turned him. I mean, ugh, he just came right across my nose. That wasn't even my fault. He kept going. Look, there's obviously, like, no effect to his truck when I hit him. It was all on mine. And I'll even go in the cockpit. Bro needs to clean his screen. Yeah, it did not try. This guy sucks. I mean, like, I was right to be mad at him. It wasn't even that long ago when he did the crap he did to me. There it is. I think it's right here. Yep. Just comes right across my nose. He took me and the 2. What an idiot. And I come back around a few more. This is where I almost flipped right here. Look at that. The truck climbed the wall there. I think next corner is... No, corner after this. Yep, here it comes. Right across my nose. Just hooks the 27. I mean, I obviously didn't do anything to help that 27. He went upside down and there was nothing I could have done. I hope you all enjoyed. I personally love this. I love this series. It needs to stay a thing. In my opinion, that's just me. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. How ridiculous next got Mazdas, which I hate. Daytona, which I run pretty well at. But it's not the good Daytona, it's the bad Daytona.